What is going on, everyone? Thank you all for watching today's video. My name is Prop, and in this video we are gonna talk about the Bitcoin price. Also, we're gonna talk about XRP having a massive pump yesterday, also sustaining the pump today. Why is it happening? Some news about BlackRock and the ETF. Let's go. Alright, so starting off by looking at the Bitcoin price, we see that from my last video we went down. We did not manage to hold support above like this key level. We went down all the way to 49.5k where we found the bottom, and we had a nice little pump to the upside towards like 57.7k. We had a retest of this massive trend line, which is good because we saw a nice pump from that level yesterday. If we go to the daily here and zoom out, we see that this macro structure, we see that this macro structure is still pretty much intact of making lower highs and lower lows. But after each time we hit here, you see right here, we hit here, it marked the bottom for the moment. So after this we went up, after here we went up. So right now we can expect something to go up towards like 67.5k. So what is going on with XRP? We can see that yesterday XRP had a massive pump all the way towards 64.5 cents from 48.5 cents, which is right between these massive support and resistance lines, which have been respected so far. In my opinion, we can see today XRP retesting this level and maybe breaking it or going down from this level. It all depends about the news that's coming out, if there's more bullish news coming out for XRP. Because yesterday what happened is that the judge fines Ripple 125 million, and by fining them money, they basically concluding the SEC case. So now the case is done. Ripple has to pay 125 million, and that's it, which also is way lower than expected, because most people were thinking that they had to pay somewhere in the regards of a billion or 900 million. So this is very bullish for XRP. So looking at the S&P 500, currently we are having a small little bounce from the level at 51.58, and after this level, if we were to break down, we can expect to have some support at 50.53 and also big support around 49.23. But for now, this is not really likely we can see 49.23 unless the recession is gonna kick in and we dump further down. But for now, there's actually a article from BlackRock that's suggesting that the US recession fears are overdone. In this article, they're stating that we think the July US jobs report is more in line with a slowdown than a recession. They also state that we think those fears are overblown and see opportunities. So basically what they're saying is that BlackRock right now is buying the dips. BlackRock holds above 10 trillion in assets, so they really know what they're doing. So I think that this might be the end of the recession fears, and maybe we can see some upside for the traditional markets like we have always seen after a drop like this. If we zoom out right here, we had a similar thing happening. We had drop down of about the same percentage, but after that, easy peasy going up. So yeah, let's see what's happening with that. If we look at Bitcoin ETF flow, we can also see that after that article came out on August the 5th, BlackRock did not really accumulate anything, but right now, yesterday, they accumulated another 52 million Bitcoin, million worth of Bitcoin, I should say that correctly. And we had a positive inflow day that day, which is signaling that we might be switching around in the Bitcoin price and the whole sentiment. Also with this XRP case settling and the XRP pumping, this might be a good catalyst for Bitcoin to continue to the upside. Okay, so finishing with my price prediction for the upcoming future. What will happen? Well, last time we hit this level, we saw a pump. Right here we saw a pump. Right now we hit this level right here as well. We had You can see like the same price action as in this range where we had a pullback and then we broke above it. In my opinion, it's more likely we see a trend towards the upside instead of going to the downside. We could also break this level if we see some bullish news continue, or we could go up here, have a rejection, and maybe even then go lower and retest this support level right here again. But I think it's more likely that we will see some upside, maybe some consolidation before eventually going up higher, because we are still in a bull run, and that would also still be in line with this cup and handle pattern that's forming. If we look right here, you can see this still is about to be the handle of this massive cup. I'll show you right here. We have this massive cup forming with the handle. This currently is the handle, as you can see right here between these blue lines. And if we break it to the upside, 90% of times they break to the upside, and we have a massive target of around 110 to 150k from this breakout alone, depending on where it breaks out. So yeah, in my opinion, this is fair. This is what I'm looking for. Hopefully this is gonna happen. We have to wait, and only time can tell. But for now, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you guys in the next one. Peace.